Guys, as I promised that I will upload this video today. First things first, I season my chicken with some seasoning cube, onions and salt. Previously, I have boiled my rice. Moving on, I have to slice my vegetables. I use carrots, green beans, onions, fresh tomatoes. So quickly, let me give the cost of the vegetables I use. Now is not the season of vegetables. I bought carrots 1,000 300 naira worth of green beans, 500 naira worth of fresh tomatoes, 300 naira worth of onion. So I think that's enough for all the veggies I used. I don't know why I hate eating chicken just like plainly like that. So I said, let me make the chicken a little bit colorful. For making the chicken colorful, I added a little bit oil in the saucepan. My onions, fresh pepper, seasoning cubes, and of course, a little. This is me adding a little bit tomato paste. And then I don't know why I normally find joy whenever I am cooking, and I love trying out new. Now this is the time to add my already seasoned chicken. You need to see the flavor that oozes out of my kitchen. Even my neighbors were surprised. See, cooking is a hobby. There's nothing you want to tell me. It's my hobby. So moving on, I have to bring out the chicken to start up with the rice, which will not take much of our time. I think I'm done with the chicken. So now this is the time to cook my rice. Go ahead and add groundnut oil in a saucepan too. This is my garlic and my fresh. So this is fresh pepper and garlic, and I grinded the pepper with my fresh tomatoes because I couldn't blend. So I added my already blended pepper mix. Then I allowed it to fry and fry and fry. At this point, I added my tomato paste, which is Gino pepper and onions, and then fry until it is dry. The rice I was cooking is very big. I had to get a big pot, add my meat stock and a little water, then move over to adding the already fried stew inside the water. I know the process was a bit long, but you will love the outcome, really. Do you even know what I'm adding now? It is turmeric, the almighty turmeric. That is grounded turmeric. You already know the health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is a very nice natural spice. I also added one natural spice like that, but it is a mixed spice. I covered the pot and allowed the water to boil very well. At this point, I am adding my rice. Then I gave it a very good stir. I stirred it very well, adjusted for seasoning and salt. Who else likes Knorr cube as their favorite seasoning cube? I can't cook without Knorr. Guys, it's ready. Can someone shout yummy? Yummy! Hope you notice I didn't cook these vegetables. I just added it now that the rice is done. So I went ahead to give it a nice stir. If you're watching this video up to this moment, you know what you have to do now. Like this video, share so that others will benefit, and then follow me, guys. I know you are definitely going to try this rice in your next rice recipe. I know. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye, guys.